We have, for example, the AI technology included in our robot Malfas system. So our robot controller is able to analyze data autonomously. So the parameters can be adjusted automatically. So this gives a big advantage to the operator to use the robots with an easy and fast setup, as the time-consuming teaching can be dramatically reduced. So we can say the robot learns to behave like human. So we as a human also make optimization of processes by learning. And this can happen all without any dedicated external devices. For example, also a PC, a high-performance PC for the data analysis is not needed. It is all done in our robot controller. I can give you a typical example for an assembly process. The robot has to fit and insert a pin in a hole. It sounds very easy to do, but for sure it's quite important that the robot is not destroying any workpiece, not destroying the pin, and for sure not cutting the hole. So normally, if you do this, you have to make a very time-sensitive and time-active teaching. So the robot needs to move a lot of times. You need always to check the force. You need to check the speed. And finally, this is taking a lot of time for the operator. So by the machine learning possibilities inside our robot controller, the robot is learning like a human. So the robot is reducing the force, making the movements automatically, adjusting the parameters for the speed, for the position, and finally gives you the best performance for the movement, for the takt time. So this takes approximately 5 minutes for the robot to do. And then he gets a result, which is the optimized takt time, optimized movement. So finally, you can say anyone can do this. So you don't need to be a robot expert to do this. And according to our experience, we found that the setup and takt time can be reduced up to 60%. So there's no connection to the edge or to the cloud needed. Everything is done inside the robot controller.